sleeping.
Yeah, and?
We were sleeping, hear Prince screaming. When Prince screaming, say water. When you jump up and look, there is water. Many water, like Elsha. That type of water was there. I will want back everything. Cause from we live here, a Sunlight Street, from here 2 months old, just born out of my mother. Left here. From me at 29, me left Sunlight Street, so here me never have been seen my yard flood out yet. Or any house in the carpet here in Sunlight Street flood out yet. Never had been seen this yet.
People now put on the running shoes tonight. See what you get around.
Big packs on the chopper, man. Foreign bills on the chopper, man. Feet up, Gucci bags. That's what we do, man. Yeah. Put some respect on it, man. And I don't think too many more amazing than me. Take me. Foreign bills, look. I got 5,000 of them right now, a whole lot of time. Yeah. Big packs, man. I ain't trying to say too much, man. Number one. Moving now, girl. Myself, these dollars say how they moving now. No more games, man. Number one, man. Now, you hear me? Jamaica.
Niggas y'all be climbing the trees.
Yeah, what you already got your drink, B dollars? Hold on.
What's going on? Yeah, man. Listen, man. Number one shit. We early in. We
You
here.
feel me?
Maybe
Getting a little pool, little crib or something. Oh, my boy in the cut, yeah. Wow.
Jamaican parents be like, go wash up the 2 little plate them. So why you don't wash them, eh? Since there's a 2 little plate, why you don't wash them? The time when you take to come tell me to wash them, you coulda wash them, you know?
Wickedest thing them are the woman them. Them wicked. Oh, if you stop so wicked at Thursday. You understand?
Shit.
Yo, watch your boy Jesus. Them same they gonna come back, you know, watch him. Boy come back in a some blood clot tight pants. You think see a blood clot turban on it?
All you call it for the fat face BAC. It's my turn now, though. Anyway. Come. Do it! Love you. Woo!
Yo, Marshall, you are my favorite artist ever. Thank you so much. But seriously, ever buy one of my songs them for iTunes? Show me your phone and show me how much I'm a song them in your phone. You ever pay coming on one of my show them? You ever even comment on my TikTok or my Instagram?
Self-same lady. Have a nephew come back from London. And she say, what wrong with Mary Dryfoot boy? Them girl got him for mock. And since I meet him the other night, the boy give me a shock. Me tell him that him aunt and him cousin them said howdy. Me ask him how I'm getting on, him say, oh Jola. Me start to see, feel so sorry for the poor bad lucky soul. Me think him go foreign land, go catch bad foreign cold. Me say him had a bad sore throat. But when him chat go on, me find out that his foreign twang the boy was a put on. But me notice that him answer to nearly all me say was actual hot, oh dear. All them sitting there. Me get a joke, the girl them laugh, but hear the boy, ho ho. I'm sure you got the bold to dash out of the cinema.
Be my video. My video in a week, I come right off, yeah, so. Wet road, brother, you know the road wet, brother? You have John Star, you waste good bomb buckler. Oh, sorry. Good bomb buckler car, brother. Yeah, I'm young youth, let me see, man. Ah, boy.
Lobster boy. Yes, sir. How much for the lobsters? Bring them over. Wow. Wow. Do they bite? Wow. Wow. $700? Yeah, I got you. Yeah. How do I hold him? I want to put some diamonds on his neck. I want it as a pet, though. Put mine. No. Give me a cage. What I need to feed him?
Just get it like that, bitch. He gonna sit in your lap. Oh, he playing, baby. He don't play.
Yo, boss.
Come on. Get him inside. Hey, come on, somebody get control of this. We have a leash. Control of this. Can we get a leash for hours, please? Something to keep it.
Oh, what you gonna do with it?
Wait, I'm gonna keep him. I want to take him home.
No.
Yes.
You cannot take him home.
I want to take him home.
You're gonna take home a dead lobster.
That's 500. Okay, I need 700, right?
Boom.
There. Oh, can I get something to put mine in?
Y'all got a leash, a chain? Huh?
Something.
We just want him.
Sit him on your lap. Don't be so rude. But he said my lap. Your lap.
He just as scared, bitch.
One-stop shop. We got the lobster and the lashes, bitch.
At the same place.
At the same. Listen, I love y'all, Jamaica.
I love Jamaica too.
You want it to be cooked?
No, I want to keep him as a pet. So tell me now, what you gonna do with this Tommie? I'm gonna keep him. Give him a little water. Give him a little water. He gonna come back to life. Don't worry.
No,
yes, he will. Just shake him up and down. Shake him up and down. All right, he coming. He gonna get his breakfast. Yeah. Look, you see the legs? He is not dead.
Told you he wants some water.
Give him a little more. Yeah.
We stay. I got it. If you can get your hair, it'll suck on your hair.
Angara, what's happening, grade 8?
Hey. Literally cute. Yeah. Get it. Oh. Good boy.
Chin touch.
High five. Chin touch.
Yeah. Yeah, high five. Go.
Yeah. Good boy. If you put one finger out, he'll do chimp touch.
Chimp touch.
You leaving? Get back up there. Chimp touch.
Chimp touch.
Oh, good boy.
That's hello for a chimp.
Oh, is that yours? Is that yours?
Yes, it could be.
It's sparkly. I like everything sparkly. Good boy. You're a good boy. Hey.
Don't abuse me. You know my mother. You's not my mother or my dad. Don't put your hand on me. And if you're dead, I sorry you're dead because I didn't mean to do it. I was defending myself. Okay? So if you're dead, I sorry. I made your soul rest in peace because me never mean to kill you. Them a say me give you how much stab. Me not give you no how much stab. I give you 2 stabs. So the fuck you dead? I give you 2 stab. 2 stab. Don't abuse.
you fucking play with me. I'm not playing with you. I'll fuck you up. I know where the fuck you live. You stupid bitch. I'll
To go downstairs and ask my mom something real quick. So can you guys just do me a favor and watch Rufus for a sec?
Yeah, man, mama, go on. Me watch Rufus here. Go on, go talk to your mother, mama, on to you. Got you, me G, got you.
You're the best.
Don't know, mama, go on. Go on, go talk to your mother, man. Watch him for you. Pussy, me go curry your bumbo clot here. Me a chop you up with some skeleton. Hey, boy, stop your blood clot nice. Me a curry you. Some white rice with some extra gravy. Me a curry your bumbo clot. Pussy, look for me, me a
No, what really I go on at Jamaica? Why is a patty $230 Jamaica? What is the reason for a patty be $230? Some people say inflation, but sure all of the products them where you use to make patty homegrown. So scrap the excuse there. Patty not scarce. So the price not supposed to higher because it limited. And the patty them still look small. So me not understand why patty for be $230. Me supposed to eat the patty there all next week, same way to rot it. I understand that the dollar depreciate to the US dollar, but if a corona time on a body now work, why not tell me so inconsiderate to raise the price of patty just for catch up back within the revenue? A patty should not be $230. Me not understand how things supposed to get more expensive in a pandemic and a body not getting no work. One patty can't even full belly, you have to really buy 2 patty for full belly. Right now them better start sell quarter patty and all them. Yo, give me a half patty now.
Make sure say catch that party I sold here address number everything. So in the so them have to party. Sir, what's in? Along Slap Road. Where them sell party ice. There's a party keeping here, you know. Yes. The amount of people with the outers, so we'll stop right in there with us, so turn on the flashing lights.